Welcome to Training Sadhguru. So yesterday we were discussing that Bank T would end up sideways on 9th August. We had already discussed the reason that for the last 3 days market appears to ping pong in the defined direction, in the defined range. Sorry, not direction. And because of the RBI's monetary policy and the announcement that is going to be made on 10th August 10 p.m. Okay. So we expected market to take a direction on 10th, but not on 9th. Being one day before, we expected Bank Nifty to be sideways. If you look at this, you will appreciate that we had already indicated that the market is going to be sideways today. Okay. So what has actually happened? Let us see. So Bank Nifty made a high of 44,975 and a low of 44,533. Okay. So what we had discussed yesterday, that it is moving within this range. So today also for most part of the day is well within this range only, except for a few minutes or hours. It went past 44,698, which is the 50 period moving average, 44,698. And for tomorrow, what can we expect? So RBI's policy monetary policy committee meeting decision is going to be announced around 10 p.m. starting from 10 p.m. Okay, so when is it? Tomorrow, 10th August 2023, 10 a.m. onwards. So generally it is that governor will come, he will announce, then the questions will be taken and some explanations will be given. So it's it won't just end within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Only the decision will be communicated in the first half an hour itself, half an hour. But after that, there will be an elaborate discussion and expert opinion and question answer sessions and further clarification. So it is likely to go till 11:30, sometimes even 12:30 also depends on the RBI people. So there will be huge volatility. And when it comes to options trading, weekly expiry trading, you will see options, both CEs and PEs, move higher in prices till the event starts. The moment event starts, so there will be movement on both sides, and significant decay will happen the moment the rate cut or no change or rate hike, whatever the decision that is to be conveyed. Post that, it will take a direction. So you will see both up and down moments while the announcement is being made. And after the decision is out, and if you allow 30 minutes to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour for market participants, especially retailers, to settle, then in the second half, market is going to take a direction. So there are only two outcomes. At the end of the day, after the decision is out and intraday volatility settles down, there are two outcomes. One, market moves higher, then comes down and makes a low and ends near the previous day's close. So it is like a neutral closing. Maybe 50 to 120 points up and down may close. So we will consider that as neutral closing. It will give a good intraday range, still closes near the previous day close. That what we consider as neutral closing. What is the second outcome? So after the policy out, within minutes, either market will make top or bottom, and from there it reverses and takes a direction. So if bottom is made, then if it reverses, so it is going to make a new top on intraday basis. So either it will be breakout with the present range, intraday range, or it is a breakdown. So if bottom is made, it is going to be a breakout on upside. If a top is made, then it is going to be a breakdown on the downside. So which are the levels we can take as reference levels for planning trades tomorrow? Tomorrow being an expiry day, weekly option expiry day. The same logic holds good. Whatever we had discussed in our weekly video, as well as yesterday, day before yesterday's video, the same levels hold good, except the fact that it may not end in the present trading range. That is what we are indicating here. Okay, so the possibility is there that Bank Nifty may breach this level and come down, or try to test this level and break out. Okay, so for reference purposes, we'll take 50 period moving average, that is 45,378. Okay, so market will try to get there if it breaches 45,040 level. Okay, on the downside, which are the levels possible? On the downside, 44,300. Market will try to reach there. Okay, in either case, whether it is going to be first bottom and then top, or it is first top and then bottom of the day's night. So we are at 880, 44,880. So we may see action towards 44,720, 44,645. Okay, then 44,500, breach of which will open the doors for 44,300. So how is the risk to reward, like where the reward is more? Reward is more on the downward direction, provided the policy decision is out on we allow market to settle down for 30 minutes to 1 hour post the announcement. Okay, so we expect Bank Nifty to take downward direction, say post 12 to 12:30 p.m. Okay, so this is very much possible. So if you by chance get a gap up, or during the announcement of the policy, you may see Bank Nifty somewhere around 44,150 to 350 level. So getting into a contra trade that the market is going to give up the gains it has made is going to yield a good result in terms of return of profit. Okay, that's all for today. Take care, and those are new to the market, please stay out, because the premiums are huge. At the market, options are also trading around 180 to 200 rupees. Under normal on a normal day, it is going to be 80 to 120 rupees, but it is now 180 to 200 rupees. So there will be huge decay in premiums. So whatever the position, if somebody is new, if he or she is going to take, so it is most likely that it gets eroded and you will end up on the negative side. So please stay outside, don't trade. You want to observe. If you are a compulsive trader, or want to get a taste of the expiry on monetary policy day, then limit your capital, use one or two lots, or according to your risk and your capital capacity, then trade. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.